Hey guys, welcome back to another video from Ultimate Backshaw Gamer, also known as Dante Marine 190, Apon Fam 190, and of course, from my last video, the late night show of Dante. I hope you guys enjoy that video. We pulled some really neat stuff. Most importantly, check this out. A golden card walking wake. Isn't that insane? Look at that. What do you guys prefer, ancient or future Pokemon? Make sure to comment down below. Still got this super giant Graphite Eye card with our Graphite Eye over here. Now today we're going to be opening a Pokemon Go TCG box. Special Collection Team Valor. Let's get into it. Well, I'm super excited to start this off. There's 6 booster packs included with 1 trainer promo card. Personally, I am a Team Mystic, but this will do for now. Team Valor. Who's Team Valor here? Make sure to comment down below. Are you Team Valor, Mystic, or Instinct? Let's read it really quick in case any of you are illiterate. Nothing beats exploring the world with your teammates by your side. Proudly let other trainers know which team you're on by this eye-catching Valor pin in this collection. You can also find Candela, the leader of Team Valor, as a playable support card that helps you draw cards and get energy into play. Plus a stack of booster packs from the special Pokemon Go expansion. See what it includes. Full art promo, deluxe pin, 6 cards, and a TCG code. You know, I'm super excited to start this off. Got a lot of comments, so before we open this up, I'm gonna read some of my favorites, answer some questions. After this ad plays. Okay, so one of the comments were asking who Anthony was. Some of you have speculated it was my boyfriend, but no, he's just a friend right now. We're just at that stage. Yeah, just at that stage. Nothing serious going on though. Let's see. I'm just gonna remember any other comments. Some of you have asked. Well, nobody has really asked anything. But thank you for the nice comments. And for the mean comments, you gotta work on yourselves. Alright. Oh yeah, some of you are asking when Anthony collab is coming up. I'd say in May, late May, maybe. We'll be opening up a big booster packs for us to open together. Then you guys get to meet him. And this will be the last time you guys will see this mat of Eevee. I'm replacing it with another mat, which you guys will see soon in a future video. So, you know, say goodbye to it. We'll be doing a giveaway. Whoever wants this mat. I don't really like it because I don't like Eevee, but to each their own. Alright, let's get to it. We can find a way to open it. It's got a nice little stamp here. Nice texture. Alright, no more bamboozling. And goofing around, goofing off. No more jorking it. Let's open this baby up. Okay, I think I got it. There we go. There we go. Alright, let's do this. First of all, we got a promo code here. I won't be showing you guys because I want them. Here's a little glimpse. Oh, that's it. That's the only peek you guys get. Again, it's like a different world here. It's like catching a Pokemon. Alright. Let's put this one away. Alright, let's get to it. Got our sleeves ready. Got everything ready. Let's do this. Hopefully we get something we don't have, or I'll be super mad. Here is the pin. Let me take out the cards first. I guess here's a code you guys want it. Who plays that game? It looks kind of dumb, not gonna lie. That pen is huge. Alright, we got everything out. We got 6 packs, a pin, and a promo card. Let's look at the pin first. That is a big pen. A big pen. A big pen. A big pen. Is a big pin. Is this your guys' favorite team or what? Check it out. That's pretty cool. Here is the Candela card. Let's sleeve it. It's got a little dirt in there. Let me take that out. And grab another one. I don't want there to be any dirt inside. Okay. Put that aside. Let's get started. I think I did it wrong, but whatever. Boring, 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 boring. Magikarp and Blissey. I don't think I have that Magikarp yet. Okay. Okay. Put that away. 1, 2, 3. Is it 3 or 4? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, it was 4. Okay. Dark Energy. Like a Sigma. Camerupt. We basically have all of them. Well, not all of them. No way, we got a Ditto and a Dragonite V-Star. These two are new. We got another Ditto and a Dragonite V-Star. Cool. Cool beans. It's crazy. All right, next. One, two, three, 4. Water, Candela again. We got a Pupitar and a Slacking V. Wow, look at that. Doing pretty good so far. All right. Now we're cooking. It's cooking good looking. What's that little piece of dirt inside? It's just like stuck in there. It's okay. It's crazy. We're doing pretty good so far. One, two, three, 4. Alright, we gotta zap those and we already have these. Oh. Okay, that was trash. Speed run this. Wow, again. Last one. Can we get a redemption? One, two, three, four. Chairs are at the back. And a Tyranitar. I don't think we have that one in this version. Yeah, so we got these. These are new. Alright, bye. Thank you for watching.